I am going bonkers with this Corona, man. But I'll tell you, I went to go buy some damn masks from the store, sold out everywhere. Home Depot, Walmart, Ace, sold out. Go on Amazon, yeah, maybe you find a box, but it costs $100. God damn it. I'm not paying $100 for a box of masks. And then so I think, okay, I'll make my own. Easy, right? Well, go online, look. A lot of tutorials, but they're all so complicated. Folding fabric and gluing it or sewing it. You gotta get hair ties and you need rubber bands. Why does it need to be so complicated? So I thought, you know what? I can make a mask in 2 steps that's just as effective. Okay? Maybe it's not as effective as an N95, but it's just as effective as all these other t-shirt masks out there, okay? So I'm going to show you how to make a t-shirt mask in 2 steps, 1 cut. Okay? All right. First thing we're going to do is we're going to get our t-shirt. I would say that men's t-shirts work a little bit better for this because they have slightly larger sleeves than women's. And depending on the size of your head, you never know. But I'm using a men's shirt, an old shirt I don't like. But you could pick any color you want. And then just cut along the seam. And I like to cut along the outer edge of the seam, kind of trying to cut down the middle. Smooth, straight lines as possible. Because if it does show, if this edge does show, you want it to look decent, right? You will need a good pair of scissors for this, by the way. I did try to use a pair of like dull scissors earlier. Pain in the butt. This method uses the sleeves, so you'll be able to get 2 masks per shirt, and then you'll have a workout shirt afterwards. Come on, we can bring sleeveless back. It's the jam. It's the jam. Okay. Boom. Alright, now you see here, like that. Now this is for the front of our face, the long side, and the short side is for the back of your head. So, take it. Okay. Hit back on. And then you can leave it down like this, or you can tuck the leftover up in there. Now see? 2 steps. Cut. Put it on. Done. Simple. Doesn't have to be complicated. You don't need tons of rubber bands and glue and staples and paper towel. No. You just need a shirt and a pair of scissors. No tying needed. This is it. Check it out. See? See? Simple. If I can do it, you can do it. Alright. Well, that's it for this video. I just wanted to make a quick and down and dirty, simple coronavirus mask video. Just because I was getting annoyed with the ones that I was seeing. So, there you go. Hope it helped you. Enjoy your corona days. Don't enjoy them. Enjoy them. You should enjoy them, but for the right reasons. Anyways, if you like this video, please subscribe. Leave a comment in the comment section below. Tell me what you thought. If you liked it, smash that thumbs up button. If you didn't like it, go ahead and hit that thumbs down button. I don't care. I don't take it personally. Anyways, I'll see you guys next time.